Next is for B, U. This would be the last set of word for B. Buccaneer. Bucolic. Buffet. Bungle. What does buffet mean? One we know is table with food served and on self-service basis, but there is another meaning which means to strike sharply. Another meaning that we know is food served on a table with self-service. That is different, this is different. The sentence that you can frame is a buffet meal and the waves buffet the show. Bungle is mismanage. Government bungled badly in planning the campaign. In planning the campaign. Bucolic is related to pleasant aspects of countryside, rustic. Bucolic poems. Buccaneer. What is buccaneer? Buccaneer is a pirate, one who can rob a sailing ship and enslave your crew. Pirates. Pirates are also called as buccaneer. Next words are buttress, burgeon, and burnish. These all three words are high frequency words. What does burnish mean? Burnish is polish, make shiny by rubbing. Burnishing the brass. Burgeon. Burgeon is increasing rapidly. Burgeon. Increasing rapidly. Burgeoning demands. Buttress is again to support, that is related to the word we read, bolster. Reinforce. Burgeoning demands, increasing demands. Buttress the walls of cathedral. Okay, so these words come under B. Hence, till now we are done with B as well. In our next module, we'll start with the very next alphabet, C. So practice hard and make your own sentences.